Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here, back for another maths question of the day. We're on to the 2020 Specimen Paper 2, the extended questions from the GCSE, and this question is all about interior angles of a hexagon. The question goes as follows. A hexagon has 5 angles that each measure 115 degrees. Calculate the size of the 6th angle. Press pause, have a go at the question, and I'll be back with the work solutions and the full 3 marks available in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, back with the work solutions. The first thing we need to do is draw a hexagon. So it's got 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 angles. So it's not a regular hexagon, so all the angles are going to be slightly different. Well, normally they would be. We've got 5 of the angles, 115. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. What we need to find out is what's the missing angle. If we look back, we know a hexagon's got 6 sides, and we've been doing questions before about interior angles of a shape. You can split shapes up into triangles, and there's a formula to help you work out how many triangles are in a shape. You can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and you should know by now that each triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So the rule for finding the sum of angles, interior angles inside a shape, is to find out your sides, in this case 6, take away 2, because that tells you how many triangles there are, in this case 4, and multiply by 180, because angles in a triangle adds up to 180. So basically, inside the shape should be 4 lots of 180 degrees. Well, 2 18s are 36, 4 18s are 72, so 4 18s would be 720 degrees. Incidentally, you get 1 mark for quoting this formula or for getting this far. There's 720 degrees. Okay, so now we know what all the angles should add up to. We already know that 5 of the angles measure 115. So what we could do is work out 115 times 5 and then see what's left for the final missing angle. When I'm multiplying by 5, I like to multiply by 10 first, then cut it in half. So 10 lots of 115 is 1,150, and then you can cut that in half because half of 1,000 is 500 and half of 150 is 75, so we've got 575 so far. For the next piece of work we need to do then is to explain that we have to do the original 720, the total angles, take away the angles we've already got. So 720 take away 575, and that's your second mark done. All you need to do now to secure the third and final mark is to get the actual right answer. So no pressure as we do some column subtraction. 10 take away 5, 5, can't take away from there. 11 take 7 is 4, and 6 take away 5 is 1. So we should have 145 degrees in the missing angle. So if we check again by adding up the angles we've already got plus the angle we think it is, that takes us to 670, 710, 720 degrees. And that's what it should be. So we've checked it back as well, and we know for a fact the answer is 145 degrees. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one and learned something from it. I've been Happy-Go-Lucky, and today you've been calculating missing interior angles of a hexagon. Good for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.